Hi, I'm Jasmina Syed, and I'm an Employer Relations Assistant at the Career Center here at Stony Brook University. I'm extremely excited to be joined by Arianna Georgiadis from Grassi & Co., who's a CPA. How are you doing today, Arianna?
I'm doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. So to get things started, can you just share with us the types of positions that you're recruiting for?
Sure. So each year on campus, we typically recruit for interns, tax associates, and audit associates. So our interns typically vary also in tax and audit as well. And sometimes we do some consulting interns, but it depends on the needs of the group and how much work we have at the time. But very typically every year, tax and audit.
And are these positions going to be remote, in person, or some kind of combo of the two?
So for right now, our positions are going to be live. We are following AB seating right now, due to COVID-19. So we do have the alternate dates in effect in terms of weeks and seating in the office. But again, it depends on our office. Our New York office, is still closed for the time being. So again, we're just monitoring the situation. But in Jericho, which is our following AB seating for all of our positions and all of our service lines.
Okay, so in addition to Jericho, are there any other locations that you're primarily recruiting for?
Yes, so we will be recruiting for Jericho, Long Island, New York City, and for Park Ridge, New Jersey.
Okay, and finally, can you just describe with us what the culture is like at Grassi & Co., just to give us a sense of what it's like to work there and intern there?
Yeah, so I am a CPA, and I actually did work in tax at a number of different firms. And one of the things that drew me to Grassi was like the warm family feel. Our company, our firm is about 325 people. And what I love about coming to work every day is how nice and caring all the people are here. They truly, genuinely enjoy working together. So if I was a student coming out of school and I came here and, the interviews and the selection process in terms of where you're going to work is very much a decision for the student as well as it is for the professionals and the company. And that was something that I feel the students see right away when they come here is just how much people enjoy working here. They love what they do and they enjoy working together.
That's great, Arianna. And are there any other important programs or announcements that you have for Grassi & Co. at this time?
Yeah, so one of the things that I would like to share that not necessarily is going to be posted on Handshake is our Grassi Leadership Program. So this is more like a 2-day externship program. We do host this program once a year in the springtime every year. We invite about 20 to 25 students from, different universities across the country. One year we even had someone from California, from a California school. So we definitely, welcome students from all schools, from anywhere. And what the kids get to see over the course of these 2 days is they get to meet and hear about what each of our service line provides, the kind of work they do, the kind of clients that they work on. They also get to do a networking lunch with the professionals where they go out to lunch. Typically, maybe like 6 to 8 professionals, go out to lunch with them, share with them their day-to-day, how they came to Grassi, what their work is like. We also do some panel discussions. One of the things we recently added was a partner panel because the students really wanted to hear from the partners, hear about their journey, hear about how they came to be here and what they do in their role and kind of how they grew up over time in the world of public accounting. And then we also do hands-on case studies where the students are actually performing audit and task activities, calculations, things that they would do if they were hired as an intern or an associate later on. And we close out the program with a presentation from Surgent CPA exam review. So we actually bring in someone from Surgent who shows the students their program, what it's like to use their program to study for the CPA exam, and then also just an overview of what the CPA exam is and, how you can properly, what kind of credits you need, all of those things that you need in order to even sit for the exam. And they actually cap off the program with a student project and presentation. So it's a jam-packed 2 days. I've been a part of it for 1 or 2 cycles now, and it's my favorite thing that I do here. I love because the students are young and they're so interested in like everything that we have to offer. And it's really some of their first time seeing what all of this is really like being in the industry. So it's a super fun event. Again, I am working on sending that job description to all of our schools we recruit at so that it can be blasted out to the students who are interested.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing, and thank you for giving us all the details on your externship. Thank you so much for your time. Again, everyone, this is Arianna Georgiadis from Grassi & Co. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.